we have a drone! Look! We just got one this week, and today is going to be our first attempt to fly with it, and I'm so excited. I don't think I've been excited in my life for anything else but this drone. Look, it's all here. This is a Mini 2, and it's going to be our first time flying with it, and this is how it comes. So, shall we try?
Let's do it.
Taking the cover off. It's just a protection. You can put it in the bag. The bag goes on the floor. And this was another protection. We were figuring out how it works, and you can just come like this. And the battery goes here. Look how beautiful it is. Me and my drone. Oh my god. Okay, now we get the controller, and let's just position the drone here on the floor. We need to connect the controller to my phone. So I'm going to connect. There is this cable here. I was watching 1000-watt videos yesterday to try to figure it out how it works. Yeah, that's it. That's pressing a button. Okay, now it's good. And then we have here, how do I call this?
Thumbsticks, I suppose.
Yes. So you just need to take it off every single time and put it back. Okay, let's keep it normal for now. And then we need to connect. Don't record my... You go to the app. Turn it on. Just pressing here. And turning the drone on. Just pressing this one. It's also going to show you the amount of battery that it has. You see? It's on. You press. Okay, I think everything's on now.
There you go.
And that's it. Ready to fly? I'm just going to put now a record to record my screen. Let's record. Yeah. Then go fly. We have this button here, and we click to take off.
Just because the grass.
You have to hold. Do you wanna fly?
Sure.
Okay. And here it goes.
Home point updated.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Yes. Look, it's there. You won't be able to see it. But wow. That's so cool. Oh, that's beautiful. So you go in a setting that we have here. And then you go in quick shots. And then you have some options. So I'm going to try the circle one. Yeah, so circle one, and then I'm going to select us. I think that's it, and you select which way you want.
Yeah,
I'm going to select this direction here, and then I can't click in anything else because if we click it's going to stop. So start.
3, 2, 1.
That's cool.
That's really nice. And then it stops where it was before.
That's great.
That's really cool. Let's try different mode now. We have this mode here that goes far from you. This is us.
3, 2, 1.
And then it gets far. From us. And that's it. And then it's returned to the point where it was before. Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Let's try one more mode. We have Rocket now. Rocket, it turns, yeah, in a weird way. So let's try this one. We are here. And then you can settle the altitude. So let's put like 15 meters.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, the birds are getting quite close. Oh, it's only halfway there.
Oh my god! Oh my god, that's so far!
I can't even see it. Oh, there it is.
Oh! Wow! Okay, this is one of the most nice things that I've done. And then it goes down. Cool. Okay, let's start the last one. That is this. How do we call this? This
A spiral, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Do we have enough speed, enough room for this one?
We do. So let's try. So this is us, and then you can
Watch
put
out.
the
Yeah, maybe
Wait.
do 10 meters.
10, yeah,
meters,
because we have some
We
trees
haven't got much
around.
room, yeah.
So let me just go a bit up here, and then we start.
3, 2,
Not
One.
coaching, and it goes. That's so smooth. Like, I'm really impressed.
Yeah. Oh god.
Babe,
That's a
you're... The birds are going mad now.
Yeah, they don't like it.
Well, it's easier than I thought to fly with it, because at the beginning I was like, oh, we are going to be struggling, but now, like,
It's very easy, isn't it?
it is easy and it's very responsive, even though it's quite...
It's a very windy day as well.
Yeah. Okay, let's try. You stay. Let me focus on you first.
Maybe make it go up a bit.
Up, 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 up. Is it good now? Or more?
That's fine.
Now let's... Opa. Subject lost. It's fine, I'm still setting it. Okay, let's go with this one here. Right. You are my subject. stay there, and then
3,
start.
2, 1.
Here we go. Sam is walking, and the idea is to see how it's going to go around him, although he's walking. And this is doing a great job. Like, he's walking around, and even though it's finding him, well, it was finding him, but it got lost. Ah, well.
That's incredible.
Okay, we are going.
You're too high, is it?
No, keep going, keep going.
Wow.
How?
122 meters, 125, 130.
Wow. Keep going.
Oh, look, flight altitude, aircraft may be in
Okay.
violation of local laws.
Oh, go down, go down. So it's 120, the maximum that we can fly here.
Yeah, apparently. So it said it may be, like, it didn't. say
I know,
definitely.
yeah, it's better not. Now.
Even the birds are, like, low.
Okay, guys. So I think for today, that was it. It was just a trial. We are going to see the videos now and show it to you. And we really want your tips. If you have a drone, if you have used the drone before, or if you have experience and you have tips for us, please let us know. And we are going to study a lot and see the best that we can do with it. And I can't wait to take it for a holiday. So, what do you think? First impressions?
Amazing. Really easy to fly.
Really easy, and really easy to control as well. I was scared to take it, but well, it was great.
It handles
And
winds
it's
really well.
really windy here today. So yeah, let's see the results.